I'm Franz.
And I'm Mini Franz.
And we are here to pump
you
up.
About recycling.
Very good, little Franz.
Yeah, but mostly pumpitude.
That's right. On our show today, we're going to talk about maximizing the pumpitude.
Oh, yeah.
After I do about 1,000 of these, I get a little bit tired, and then I just have another protein shake.
But just a little bit tired. It's not that much.
Yeah.
So, Hans, do you want to talk about some things today on our show about recycling?
Oh, yes, Franz. Indeed. You know, it's just like a person working out.
You mean it's like this musculature, this bulging bicep of muscle?
Oh, yes, Franz. And you know what her veins and muscles are? Recycling bins.
Yeah.
Ah, I see. Now everybody recycles, right?
Sad? No.
No, some people don't recycle. You know what I want to do with people that don't recycle?
What do you want
I want
to
to
do?
permanent.
That's bullying. Fran, that's bullying.
I need to pummel people that don't recycle. I need
We
to pummel them.
will.
A little
But
pummeling?
we need to, a little. Oh, but we need to use reasoning.
Oh, reasoning. Ah, I see reasoning.
Yeah.
Ah. Oh, thank you.
You're already welcome.
Okay.
So, anyways, would you like to show an example of what we could do to save our Earth?
I have an example. So, if you take an aluminum can and don't recycle it, it is like pouring out this amount of gasoline in the garbage. Listen to me now and believe me later. That's not smart.
And even this, they even throw away this. I mean, this could be like a protein shake just for Mother Earth. And guess where it goes? Down there. It goes down there.
Flabby people don't recycle.
That's right, and don't be a flabby person.
Yeah.
Are you a flabby person? Because if you are, we will find you.
We will be watching you.
Humble you.
We will be watching
you.
you. We'll be
Watching you.
We'll find
We'll
you.
be watching you.
Watching
We
you.
are watching
You better be good and recycle.
We're watching you.